Hello students, welcome to Mystery in Chemistry's Tips and Tricks series. Understanding chemistry and scoring high in exams are two different things and hence require different set of skills. Let us learn some tips and tricks to help you score 100 out of 100 in chemistry. So here is the seventh tip. Use tabular format to answer questions where necessary. Many questions warrant an answer in tabular format. For example, questions around listing out differences or asking you to compare two things can be answered briefly and clearly in a tabular format. Here is one such question. Write two differences between an ideal solution and non-ideal solution. It is 2-mark question and you have 5 minutes to answer it. You should be able to recall the following points. Raoult's law, mole fraction, ideal solution, non-ideal solution, then positive deviation, negative deviation, delta-H mixing, delta-V mixing, partial pressure, and so on. However, you must realize that answering the question in descriptive manner is not going to help. You have only 5 minutes to answer this question. This is where the tabular format of answering the question can work. So write the answer point-wise, precisely, and much lesser time. Think about the most important two differences and start writing. So ideal solution and non-ideal solution. First point is ideal solutions obey Raoult's law at all range of concentration, that is Pa is equal to P0A XA and Pb is equal to P0B XB. Whereas non-ideal solutions does not obey Raoult's law, that is Pa is not equal to P0A XA and Pb is also not equal to P0B XB, where Pa and Pb are partial pressures due to solvent A and B. P0A and P0B are respective vapor pressure of pure solvent A and B. On the other hand, XA and XB are respective mole fractions of solvent A and B in solution. In the second point, you can write about delta H mixing and delta V mixing. That is change in enthalpy and change in volume during mixing of solvent A and B. So in ideal solution, delta H mixing and delta V mixing are equal to 0, whereas in non-ideal solution, delta H mixing is also not equal to 0 and delta V mixing is not equal to 0. That's all. So now you can understand writing in tabular format is the right choice for such kind of questions. Thank you.